Hi guys, it's really late, but once I post it, it's probably gonna be later. So I'm gonna be showing you my squishies and like what category they're in. Two of them are animals and they're food. But first I'm going to start off with my random squishies that are not in a category. I have this cloud. I think it was spray painted because they missed a couple spots. It's really slow rising. I really like it. Got it from Walmart. The next thing is this poop. Brown poop. Really slow rising. It has a cute face. Got that from Five Below. This poop, rainbow poop that's about to fall apart. Got this from Target as a face too. Those are my random squishies that don't have a category. It kind of is a category, but like it's not a category. Next category is animals. This is my unicorn. It's actually one that actually stands up. It's a really short legs, but it has a really fat body and a small head. Next animal is the shark, fat shark. Got that from Five Below. This unicorn cake, my grandma got me. I think she got it off of Amazon. It's super cute and its horn is about to fall off. I hope it does not fall off. And here's another unicorn cake. It's a white angel food cake. Its horn is kind of coming off too. I hope it doesn't fall off. That one was from Amazon too. This monster got from Walmart. This hamster got from Walmart. Super slow rising. I recommend you guys to go get it. Fat penguin my grandma got me off of Amazon. Smells really good. Small rabbit that my dog ripped the ears off of. Owl / penguin squishy stuffed animal. Smells like strawberries. Okay, now behind me are my food and desserts. So I have this cheeseburger, got from Target. This cake roll, got from Target. This ice cream got from Target, not very good. This ice cream I got from Five Below. This unicorn cake, it's a cake, and it's a unicorn, it's an animal and a cake, so I had to include it in my desserts and my animals. I already showed you these. I have a little tiny mango. This cupcake I got from Five Below for $5. My most rising squishy in my collection. It's still rising. And this ice cream sundae my grandma got me off of Amazon, but I'm pretty sure you can get it at Walmart too. So yeah, that was my squishy collection. and my categories of my squishies. So yeah, bye guys. Peace out. Peace, love, family, lock it into one. Peace out.